Heidelberg is a city in German state of Baden-Württemberg, situated on the river Neckar in southwest Germany. Because of its romantic cityscape, Heidelberg became a popular tourist destination. In this tutorial, we're going to use a travel vlog we made to show you 3 easy tricks that can make your vlog look better. Okay, let's start the video. As you may already notice, I add a black and white to color effect. The colors of the footage gradually transition from black and white to color. How we get there? First, let's open up VideoProc Vlogger. Add this clip to the proper position. Use the split button or press Ctrl and B to split the video into 2 parts. Then select the previous part. On the inspector panel, hit Color to enter the color editor. Then let's decrease the saturation to the lowest. Click on Apply to go back to the main interface. Then we go to the top left, find Dissolve under Transitions. Drag and drop it in between these 2 clips. Simply adjust the transition duration, we can make this effect. Surely, we can also add some details to this video based on the existing elements. For instance, there is a bell tower. We can add a bell tower sound effect and make the colors change once the bell rings. This can make the audience feel like it's the ringing that brings the changes in the color. Have you ever noticed, in this clip, the reflection of the landscape in the river is enhanced, so it looks more clear and beautiful? Now, let me show you how to make this. First, we need to find the footage that records the water surface. Then we right-click on the mouse and choose Copy, or we press Ctrl and C to copy the footage. Click on Paste on the overlay track. Align up these 2 clips. Then let's crop the footage on overlay track. Hit the crop to enter this panel. Drag the boxing on the left. To make the bottom edge of the cropping box overlap the surface of the water, just like this. Drag the progress bar to check whether the bottom edge is aligned with the surface of the water. Then hit Apply to get back to the main interface. After we get there, go to the inspector panel on the right to find a transform. Select Vertical Flip under Flip. Then we adjust the position of this clip to make it overlap with the water surface. After that, we adjust the opacity of the footage on the inspector panel. In addition, we can adjust the color of this footage to make it match better with the landscape. Now the surface of the river looks more appealing. As for the transition to the last clip, I didn't use a regular transition effect, but added a film burn effect. To make this effect, we should get a transition clip like this. Add it to VideoProc Vlogger. Drag the film burn clip onto overlay track to make it overlap these 2 clips. Click on this button to feed this footage to the entire screen. Then, under Blend Mode, we select Lighten. Next, let's adjust the duration for this transition effect. It's longer than we need, So let's add a speed up effect. Click this small triangle button next to Ripple Edit. Click on Time Stretch on the pop-up panel. Then drag the ends of this film burn clip to speed it up. Adjust to the proper duration. That's all. We've added a cool film burn transition. Alright, that's all for today's 3 tricks that we can make a flag look better by using VideoProc Flagger. If you want to know more editing tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Flagger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoy. Bye!